alaikum, barkamu da sake saduwa a cikin wani shiri namu mai albarka. Kamar ita muka saba zan faɗi price of view sannan sai in faɗi fasarar su. These are houses, waɗannan gidaje ne. These are houses, waɗannan gidaje ne. This is a street, wannan titi ne. This is a street, wannan titi ne ko layi ko titi. This man is in the street, wannan mutumin yana kan titi. This man is in the street, wannan mutumin yana kan titi. That is his house, that is his house, wancan shine gidan shi. This man will go to his house, the man will go to his house, mutumin zai je gidan shi. He is going to his house, yana tafiya gidan shi. He is going to his house, yana tafiya gidan shi. The man went to his house, mutumin ya tafi zuwa gidan shi. He is there, yana can. He went there, yana tafiya can. He was here, yana nan. He is at his door, yana kofar gidan shi. He is at the door of his house, yana kofar gidan shi. To alhamdulillah anan muka kawo ƙarshen shirin namu na yau. Kada ku manta subscribe ba zai dauke ku sakon ɗaya ba. Ka danna subscribe, ka like, sai anjima.